Hey everyone, if you've decided to stop using Kapwing's paid plan and want to cancel your subscription, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to cancel a Kapwing subscription in 2026. First, visit the Kapwing website and sign in to the account that has the active subscription. Make sure you're using the correct email address associated with your billing plan. Once you're logged in, go to your account settings. You can usually access this by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. Next, look for the billing, subscription, or plan section. This is where you'll find information about your current membership, billing cycle, and renewal date. Open the subscription settings and review your active plan details. Before canceling, it's a good idea to check when your next payment is scheduled and whether you'll keep access until the end of the billing period. And that's how to cancel a Kapwing subscription in 2026. By following these steps, you can stop future payments and manage your account with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.